technical analysis.
The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late adopter, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamins and painkiller. The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late adopter, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamins and painkiller.
Hey Junk, how you doing? What's up, the building? Joey Cap, hello, hi man, how you doing? How's everybody doing? Yeah, this vibe crazy. I literally just tweeted you. You did, man. Let's check the tweet. There are no tweets, man. No tweets, zero tweets. You probably tweeted somebody else. Hi from Costa Rica, bears are dead. Doing good, man. You good? Yeah, I'm doing fine, man. Doing fine. I just felt like evening stream was fitting for right now. Love from Nigeria. Love back, man. Welcome on, welcome DJ AV Stanley. Ron Adopter is in the chat. Nice. Hi, man. How you doing? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 green names. What's up, TLN? Not much. I just thought we're gonna do a chill stream, look at the altcoins, see what's actually the, you know, or what we can figure it out. Are we gonna? I asked for a stream for a friend. I didn't see the tweet. Didn't see the tweet. Maybe it's on. Oh, there it is. 1 minute ago. Would you late night week crossing member stream asking for a friend? A member stream. Yeah, we need a new member stream soon, guys. We need. Shall we put it on the members only? Shall we put on? Nah, it's gonna be. It might be a little bit boring. There are not that many people. You know, when we get like 2,000 people live watching, then we put the members only, and like, yeah. F you if you are not green name. I'm getting your beard oil for Christmas. There is no beard oil. That, you know, beard oils are scams. Just so you know, beard oils are scams. Beard oil are scams. Nah, you need new members. No, it's fine, it's fine. Hey bro, how are you? I'm doing good, man. 1 hour diamond reversal pattern. Yeah, we've been seeing that, you know, diamond pattern over here. We mentioned it, but you know, whether this is gonna be a reversal or not, you know, we can probably do something like this. Let's see. Bearish diamond formation. Introducing the bearish diamond formation. March 31. Like this came in this bull market, guys. For years, market. What does this word mean? Aficionados and forex. What is this? I never seen this word before. Aficionado, a person who is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about activities subject to European stuff. Okay, yeah, from now on we are no longer the late adopter, we are aficionado, the aficionado guy. Aficionado. This is the first time I'm seeing this word, man. Welcome to the aficionado guy late night stream. Any bullshit. We'll hold together on the full moon. Aficionado. The late aficionado. People who really like the thing. People who really the aficionado. This is the first time I never heard anybody say this word. Aficionado. It sounds like Italian. Aficionado. Is it Italian word? Croissant, maybe it's French. Oxford Dictionary online. I think it should be online. Okay, accept. Let's see over here. Aficionado. Noun, a person who has particular sport activity or subject very much and knows a lot about it. A ballet aficionado of ballet. This copy is granted by Oscar collection used in these nouns. Art, music. So art, music, art. That's basically tech analysis. Technical analysis is art, guys, right? So we are technically in. This is actually correct use this is correct use in tech analysis in crypto, because it's art, Word origin, mid-90s. Here we go. The notion or devotee of bullfighting, from Spanish amateur, past particular of aficionado, become fond of. Amateur, yeah, it feels like amateur, we are amateur tech analysis, so it's fine. Past principle aficioneer, become fond of, used as a noun based on Latin affection, disposition towards, from aficionado to influence from mid-19th century, but where does it actually, so Spanish, it comes from Spanish. Okay, for years market aficionados and forex traders so aficionados and forex traders, it's basically the same word. So when you're putting the aficionados and forex traders, you're saying, forex traders, you can also say I'm a forex traders or I'm aficionado, it's the same thing. Market aficionados and forex traders alike have been using simple price patterns not only to forecast profitable trading opportunities but also to explain simple market dynamics. As a result, common formations such as pennant, flanks, double bottom, and tops are often used in the currency market as well as many other trading markets. A less talked about but frequently useful pattern that occurs in the currency markets is the bearish diamond top formation. This is a bearish diamond top formation. So we have maybe some kind of bullish diamond bottom formation, commonly known as a diamond top. In this article, we'll explain how forex traders can quickly identify diamond tops in order to capitalize on our blah blah. Yeah, I get it. Traders use price pattern. I get it. One use pattern. Yeah, okay. Identifying shops, establishing by first isolating an off-center head and shoulders formation and applying trend lines depending. Why don't you have it like over here, right? But this is a topping out pattern, so this should be a bottoming pattern, right? This over here should be bottoming pattern, right? Because when you have something go up and then you get this this diamond, then it goes down, bearish diamond topping out pattern, and this should be actually a bottoming pattern. Technically, maybe not technically, maybe not even technically. Let's see a little more about it. Currency market price, yada yada. What's the name of maybe Baby Pips has something on this. Continuation diamond. A continuous diamond chart pattern when the price is broken upwards towards a consolidation period, suggesting a continuation option. So diamond continuation. They don't have any idea whether it's continuation or not. Bukowski, what's the name of the guy? Bukowski patterns or something, right? Bukowski patterns. The pattern side, yeah. Let's see diamonds. Let's see diamonds. Where's diamond? Can we diamond bottoms? Diamond bottoms. Either more diamond bottom by quiz. Diamond bottoms. Okay. You can see diamond bottom pattern. Okay. If you click statistics updated 8/26/2020, diamonds are tough to spot as night crawls in the grass on a summer night. Most often you'll find diamond bottom in bull market with an uptrend breakout. Well, we are we in the bull market, guys? Are we in the bull market? I don't know if you are in the bull market. With an upward breakout, a redeeming quality of diamond bottom is that quick rise sometimes follow a quick decline. Diamond bottoms price will touch each trend line once or twice. Don't worry if your lines upward 74% of the time when price closes outside one of the trend line boundaries. Diamond bottom trading tips. Price and have stuff. They don't know, man. They don't know. Dodge spiking like it's March. Yeah, we're gonna look at Dogecoin, guys. We're gonna look at Dogecoin. Chart aficionado. Yeah, chart aficionado. Chart aficionado. Don't know how TIA will work when it's all manipulated. That's why TIA works, because it is manipulated. We can read the charts, man. Nihal is in the chat. We're going to 9K. Hi Nihal, haven't seen you, man, in chat. Where's Nihal? I don't see him. I don't see Nihal. Where's Nihal? Hey Tila, just got on BTC looking hopeful for the 4-hourly close about 20 mia. I don't know, man. I was just looking at 4-hourly and it kind of looks shaky. We are in the best period of the bull market. I hope you're right, man. I hope you're right. So maybe you are already breaking some kind of trend over here, right? Maybe that's it. 4-hour, we just had a 4-hourly close, guys. We just had 4-hourly close, and it does look bad, guys. It does look bad. I won't sugarcoat it, and I'll tell you why. Can you please check million coin chart? If you were on Patreon, I just talked like for a half an hour yesterday on Patreon about million coin. Not only that, I actually told people about million coin like 4 days after it got launched. So you know, it's good thing to be on the because once you know Andre starts talking about million coin, it's too late. But yeah, we'll check out million coin. I'll tell you what I think about it, because right now it's too late. You can see here the 20 moving average really nicely getting rejected up here, right? And then over here really nicely rejected. And over here, like on the dollar, hit the 20 moving average. On the dollar, hit 20, and right now it's hitting. But that's not the big problem. Is not the 20 moving average. We already knew it's gonna get rejected by 20 moving average. The green line. The green line is what is holding us back, guys. The green line is really important. The green line is the 50 moving average on the weekly time frame. It's a very important resistance, and you can see here on the 4-hourly right now, just below the below the line, just below the line. And slowly getting rejected. Now there's 3 hours and 30 minutes left, so this can do whatever it wants to do. But the fact that you close below the line, it doesn't look good. The fact we went up with the wick up to the 20 moving average does not look good. Does not look good, guys. Let's see on the daily chart. You will see on the daily chart here that once we broke this to the downside, we are right now trying to get above it. We're trying to get above the 50 moving average. If we fail to get above 50 moving average, this green line is 50 moving average on the weekly chart. If we fail today, tonight, in 3 hours and 31 minutes to close above the 50 moving average, Sunday is gonna be bloody. Sunday is gonna be bloody. I don't know if you're gonna drop really hard down, but I mean, there's a probability to get go up again. I'm not gonna say that, but it's not the best of things. To start, we need to get above the 20 moving average, and then if you're above the 20 moving average and if you're above 20 moving average and the 50 moving average on the weekly, that's fine. That's fine. I agree now. 20 TLI. I hope to do an app, so have funnel. Devil, thanks for joining at least. According to CK, will resume the bull market in 1 week. I hope CK is right, man. TLR, but on lower time frames, it looks like it's going to try to push us up above lower time frames. Right now, you can see here these are lower time frames. Don't make me go down to the 5-minute chart or something like that. Yeah, sure, it looks very nice, but on lower time frames, this 100. Look at this over here on the dollar. on the dollar here on the 100 moving average, because the 50 moving average did act as a resistance over here, and right now over here we broke the upside, but right now it's going to be really interesting to see if this 100 moving average, if we can get above that, because all the way from the top up here, once we start going up here, it was acting as it is kind of shaky. Technically it's not actually that good. Technically it's not actually that good. Let me see 200 moving average. Now, I would say 50 moving average, but 50, we are above 50 moving average. We'll see, we'll see. Technically, we are making, we did make low and lower low and high and higher high. And right now we are creating low and higher low and high and lower high. So technically this is technically some kind of a diamond pattern. Now the question is if this is continuation or not. Price getting tight as we close to the Elon Musk BTC talk. TLI, today isn't the weekly close, tomorrow is. I know, man, I know. Short squeeze to 500,000. Is there bearish divergence on 4-hourly RSI? Let's see that. Bearish divergence on the 4-hourly RSI. Nah, there is nothing. I don't see. There is no divergence on the 4-hourly. Maybe on some other chart. Let's see Coinbase. 4-hourly Coinbase. Nah, there is nothing. No, there is no divergence. Ethereum analysis, please. TLA by lower time frames than the 4-hour. I meant the 1-hourly. Since we're moving up slowly and steadily. Yeah, but you know it's 4-hourly, so it doesn't last that long. So you know you can start down here. You are starting the move to upside. It's very nice that we broke above 10, 20, and 50 moving average up here. But you know this 100 moving average, this is gonna right now be a problem. Until you are above all the moving averages, technically, you know, on the 1-hourly, because even 200 moving average on the 1-hourly is a small time frame. You need to look, you know, you need to look like 400 or something like that up here, right? Something like this, yeah, give or take. Give or take. Let's go up here and see. Hey, you use RSI? Yes, I use RSI. No ETH analysis. BTC is all that matters now. But we already know what's gonna happen with BTC. Let's do something else. By the way, guys, you do remember Tech Lead that he created? I made a coin, 1 million coin. And you know it's doing well. It's doing well. I'll show you. Just a second. I'm just gonna find the chart for the coin. I'm just gonna find the chart. Why didn't he? There we go. Bridge V contract. Let me see the contract address over here. Let me copy the contract. Let me open the stocks crypto. Let me see here DEX. Let me there we go. DEX tools. This one over here. Say aloha to aloha. Guys, this is the million coin. Right now sitting at $67, so it went from 200 to 76. And you'll see here, let me zoom in really nicely so you can see this very nicely and very clear. Something like this over here. Ah, that's nice. That's very nice. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is gonna be beautiful. Maybe we should watch on 4-hourly. No, we gotta go down 1-hourly. Oh, look at this pump to the upside. Is this this is not. Let me go back to it and click this one over here. Logarithmic chart. There we go. That's nice. Look at his dump, guys. Look at his dump. Oh, nice. Okay, guys. So you heard about short keys, not bullish, and he scam people. He didn't scam people, man. I mean, technically, maybe he did. He dumped on his subs. I don't think he dumped yet. You can see his. I'm sorry to say this, TLA, but it's not worth wasting time on YouTube reading a few books. Learn it print top and bottom by using RSI. I'm not predicting top and bottom by with RSI. Next is MIs and FIBs. Knowing stuff and reading them is differently. Sure, man, sure. So which kind of concept you used in RSI? Range is 60-40 or classical 70? It's just 70-30, but you know, the reading, how do you interpret? How do you look at the RSI? You know, it's not just 70-30, it depends. When you're in an uptrend, it never goes below 70. When you're in a downtrend, it gets above 40, you know, it's different. He said the coin is an experiment like Dogecoin. It's a Ponzi, guys. Guys, it's a Ponzi, and it's a bad Ponzi. Do you think MM is gonna retest 35 before the next leg up? There can be a next leg up. Now, listen, guys. Let me just go to his tech lead. Now I know a lot about Ponzi coins, guys. I don't want to call it Ponzi coins, but you know, I know a lot about these scam coins, meme coins. Let's call them meme coins. I know a lot about meme coins. You know, I know how they work. I know what the idea behind them is and everything, right? So he made a coin and called it Million Coin, and he pegged it to $1. So one coin is worth $1. He put in liquidity, and but technically it can go below $1 and whatnot, right? So he made 1 million coin, just called a million, and that's it, right? He doesn't have a cute puppy for the logo. He doesn't have any kind of good economics like staking or whatever. I think maybe there is some kind of staking. I don't know. There is no kind of burning of coins that can push the price up and stuff like that. So why should what's the purpose of million coin? There is no purpose. He made a coin just like meme coin. Joke coin, let's spread it around. The more we spread around, the more price moves up, and that's exactly what's happening. Now he has 1.1 million subs, right? And of course, what's gonna happen with the price? Well, price goes up. Price goes up. You can see down here, it started here at 17. Start actually at 1 down here, right? But and then it jumped really hard. So I told my Patreons about the coin around here, I think at around 35 or something like that. Maybe if you look at 50 minutes or something like that, maybe it's nicer. No, 4 hours. Yeah, it was down here, somewhere around 30 or something like that. No, it's not. Because it had a big dump down here at the 9. Why can I see the dump? Am I looking at the right coin? Let me double check. Yeah, that's the coin. There's no other way to. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Somewhere down here, it had a dump down to $3 from. It went from something like. Why? Let me figure it out, guys. Let me figure it out, because there should be better chart than this one over here. ETH. This is not ETH. USD. It's weird. It's weird. I can swear I showed another kind of chart. Let me just do it like this over here. Let me go to my YouTube page, YouTube Studio, and Sema Brain says, Michael's in the chat. Nice, Michael. Michael, are you up this late? Y'all remember the Kayabridge cloud analysis or whatever it was called? That was wild. Yeah. Ishimoto, yeah, true, super low volume. I'm gonna show you. It looked differently. Let's see. That's not up here. It's also slowly bleeding down from the 9th over here. We were below it. See this chart over here, right? This is a Patreon video, episode 81, right? But this chart over here, it's not the same chart. Let me use the EAT. I'm probably clicking at something wrong over here. Let me just...
Alright,
I want to find correct. I don't know what I'm clicking and why am I kind of...
welcome.
Why am I not seeing the... Because it looked differently when I was explaining it on the stream. It looked different. You can see this dumped down to $3 or something like that from $12. It pumped, went down. Wait. This isn't full chart. Yeah, it is full chart. So what gives? It was maybe it was down here. I absolutely no clue why this chart looks so messy right now. New contract. This is the contract. Copy the contract. Dex viewer. Let's see up here. Add the contract. Shiba. There we go. No. Okay, I get it. Wait. Beat yeah, it's a different chart. Let me find correct chart and I'll show you. If it just wants to work, we can do it maybe over here, right? So over here, that's the contract, and then you got all of this. This is Shiba, this is VEAT, USDC, maybe this one. Let's see over here. Yeah, I can see the dump down here, but it's not this chart either. Let me see which one is it. See VEAT. No, this one went on 7. USDC, maybe this one. I think it was a USDC. Nah, it's not this one either. I really don't know how to use this DEX Explorer thing. Man, similar. Maybe it's down here. No, it's not this one. Yeah, I think it must be the first one, right? This one doesn't load. This one doesn't load. I don't know why. See, it doesn't load. It doesn't load. Let's see up here. Diamond. It's all crap. I don't know which one I use. I don't know which one I use, and I cannot. Can I see the contract up here? No, there is no contract up here. It's not a V3 transactions. 46. Ab, does this mean abandoned or something like that? Ab, holders V3, okay. So 1,000 transaction, 2,000, 7,000, 10,000, 21,000, 28,000, 5,000. So 28,000 transactions. Should give us. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, we can watch this one. We can watch this. It's fine. It's not perfect, but we can watch this one. And we watched on 1 hour, maybe something like that. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is the chart. Okay, so here it is, guys. The thing is that I missed actually. I missed the pump. I missed the pump because I did not watch his channel. I was watching the Tech Lead channel for a long time, and then suddenly, just before he actually stopped, when he actually went out and said I made a coin, I was watching all of these. I was watching all of these videos, and then he suddenly came up with this video, and then I found out about it here, like 3 days later, 4 days later, or something like that, right? So I was where is it? So not this one. So I was telling my Patreons up here about coin, right? And then it had this big dump here that I was actually watching down to $3. It went pretty fast. It just went down straight up again, and then I was like thinking about if this is actually done or not. This is gonna go down. I was explaining to people, but even here at the top, when it actually pumped all the way up here, yesterday I had was talking about million coin, and I was explaining how these Ponzi's work. You can see now it's gonna go down and it's gonna find some kind of bottom here, maybe, and then I have maybe one last pump before it actually blows off, or maybe this is a blow off. So why do I think that this is a blow off period? Because if you go to the because right now the problem with this Ponzi is that it doesn't have any memes. It has 0 memes. He's not selling. He's removing liquidity. He's made 20 million so far. Yeah, I mean. Of course, he's made a million. He put 1 million and takes out 20. Like people are crazy. But that's how the Ponzi's work. You get in a bunch of people and then you can sell on those people. When he literally created for $0. Anyways, the coin has 0 meme quality. It's not giving profits to anybody. It has no purpose to be there. It's not gonna be next currency. It's not gonna be used for NFTs or whatever. It's not a dog. It's not a cat. How are you gonna shill the coin? Even his Discord channel had to get him to change the million logo to a lion, so they can say like there's a lion in every dollar or in every coin. There's a lion in every million or something like that, right? Because you can make memes about lion, but there is no meme potential here. There is 0 meme potential. If you don't know the channel, like why would you even have this coin? And if you have the coin, like what's the purpose? So only way this can actually go up is if they shill it a lot. So what happened is that he shilled it, of course. A lot of people start buying, price started going up, the hype started going up, and then what happened is that this guy, Andrei Jin, made a video about it. Million token, the new hype. you know, the $1 million new hype. And when he makes a video about you know, Ponzi coin, then you know we are hitting some kind of top in the Ponzi. It's like Elon Musk talking about a coin. You know, what's gonna happen after Elon Musk? Nothing. So what's gonna happen after this? Maybe his friend Graham Stephan is gonna talk about coin, and that's it. Like, but how high can you go from here? Once you get these YouTubers that got a million subscribers talking about the Ponzi coin, it's over. It's done. It's done. Maybe it's gonna have one more pump or something like that, but overall, it technically is done. So right now, it's going down. It's already down from all-time high, something like 73%. You know, and once it gets down low enough, it might actually do something like this and continue going up again, right? And make even a higher high, right? But eventually it's gonna pop, because there is no reason for coin to be. It's a Ponzi coin. It's I'm not gonna say it's a Ponzi coin, but it's a meme coin. You know, he made it because he's like, I'm a millionaire, Facebook, you know, Facebook and Google tech lead and stuff like that. You know, it's his thing. It's his channel. You know, and people that bought here pumped it up, then sold off, then it finds some kind of bottom down here, and then, you know, it started going up again, because, you know, people didn't want to sell because they know they can, you know, hype the coin. They hyped the coin all the way up to 220. So if you bought down here at $10, whatever, $10, you got 20x up here. I mean, in bear market, who is not I mean, who is crazy enough to not sell 20x? So all of these people down here are probably like selling right now, you know, taking the 10x, 20x, whatever they got. So it will probably find some kind of bottom up down here, and if he continues to shield the coin and find some other kind of use case for it, it might get some kind of another pump again after that, right? It might get some kind of another pump after that, but you know, you never know. Right now it is too risky to get into this right now, because, you know, YouTubers with 1 million subs are shilling it, you know. But it can be like SafeMoon. The thing with SafeMoon is SafeMoon came during the bull market, you know, and during the bull market, you know, you can shill whatever, you know. Everybody was talking about SafeMoon, but who's gonna talk about, you know, 1 million coin right now? I can see tonight is boys only party. Yeah. Yes, I'm catching a live show. Dump it. So yeah, so the 1 million coin is I don't know if it's over, but guys, if you wanna hear about these kind of things, you know, hear about Ponzi's, new Ponzi's, you know, hype before everybody else does that, you know, join the Patreon, because if I figure something out, I'm gonna tell you. You know, exclusive TLA content. Exclusive TLA content. Is anything bullish happening with BTT? Bullish with BTT? No. How can it be bullish in a bear market, man? Let's see, where is BTT? 3% up. Yeah, but this is 1 hourly chart. That rejection of the 100 moving average, man. Oh, 6 minutes left. It's gonna reject hard. Daily. No, like I don't know. I don't know. How can you call this bullish? This. Nah, it's not bullish. There is nothing bullish about it. Unfortunately, there is nothing bullish about it. I need Binance account for those Ponzi's, right? No, you don't need Binance. You just need some kind of DEX wallet, and, you know, just some kind of wallet, and then you DEXs. Brother, Ethereum breaking now from falling wedge. Check if it's valid. Check it, my man. Okay, let's check Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum, guys. Falling wedge breaking out now. On the daily, it does not look like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that. On daily, it does not look even close to a fall. It might be some kind of falling wedge up here, but it's not actually breaking. On the daily chart, maybe you can call it a falling wedge. Maybe, like we've seen, you know, different stuff, but I won't say it's a falling. It's breakout of the falling wedge right now. And it really depends on how you draw this. Maybe this was some kind of fake out. Yeah, it looks like some kind of, might be some kind of fake out. This, let's see. Nah, if it's a falling wedge, it's not breaking out yet. It's not breaking out yet. on 4 hourly also. Like this is the most I don't know, this is the only way I can draw the falling wedge on the Ethereum. But yeah, it looks like it might actually pop out here, because these falling wedges, they pop to the upside. Now they do fall to the downside. You know, that's a bearish sentiment. Where goes BTC tomorrow? What's your opinion about GBTC? Bullish or bearish? The grayscale BTC, I don't know, man. Check on 1 hour. What am I gonna check on 1 hour? It's still the same, man. Yeah, it's same. Doesn't matter whether you are looking at 1 hour or I mean, it's on the dollar, and if you're using this week up here, you know, it's not yet, so it's still not broken out. The actual inverse of head and shoulders weekly, but also has divergence currently at resistance. Now breaking it will be a huge dump for BTC. It's like bearish for months. DXY. There is no weekly divergence on it. And this isn't finished yet, so you can just continue up and correct it. So there is no divergence on the DXY is in inverse head and shoulders. Okay, inverse head and shoulders. Are you talking about this move over here? But you know, for this move to actually be valid, we need to break the neckline, and right now we are sitting on the neckline. So only on the breakout of the neckline we actually become interested in this move. But it looks like it might. It looks like it might. It's getting ready. But this might also be some kind of a rising wedge on the daily chart. This might also be some kind of rising wedge. Let's see over here. Is it rising wedge? Depends on how you write it, of course. Yeah, it might be some kind of rising wedge. It looks maybe it's a small. Let's go even further down. Maybe some kind of rising wedge that's actually gonna break the downside. You know, so maybe we never break the neckline. Maybe we never, you know, head and shoulders. You know, even inverse head and shoulders. Often they do come all the way up to the neckline, but neckline is acting as a resistance. This is a resistance line, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. You know, it's trying to get above it. You know, but unless you actually break it, you know, it can just get rejected and go down. It has happened before, man. It has happened often that it actually gets rejected. But it's nice find, man. Nice find on the weekly that there is a inverse head and shoulders up here. Definitely looks like inverse head and shoulders, by the way. Bearish divergence is smaller time frame. Bearish divergence. Okay, let's see a small time frame. Weekly, no. Let's go daily. Yeah, over here there is a bearish divergence. And right now it's correcting. No, it's still bearish divergence over here. Yeah, you had divergence, it's like triple divergence. So it's divergence all the way up here, because you know the first move to upside, you got some kind of I won't say it's a channel. Maybe it's a channel. It looks more like a rising wedge to me. I don't know. So maybe to the downside. Why not use 50 and 200 moving average bank? Here's 50 and 200 moving average on the daily time frame. So this is a bearish death cross. Came in 6th July. But you see, it really doesn't matter. This daily chart, 50 and 200 moving average on daily chart on forex, it really doesn't matter because it just go, it just zigzagging too much above it, above and below it. So you have a small window of time frame to get our relief rally, and then the actual bit will keep pumping. Nihal, it's a bearish divergence, so it's a good for Bitcoin. He doesn't do the wicks. You gotta do the wicks. Grayscale set to dump the market, and the DXY breaking out will cause complex capitulation. Grayscale, can somebody explain me about Grayscale dumping? Because I've seen people are saying, I know the wallet will be unlocked, but how do you figure from that they will be dumping? And banks and institutions don't use 50 and 200 EMA, they use 50 and 200 MA. Tila, you said you are looking for the right entry. What entry are you looking for to buy? I presume, or you just holding? No, I'm just waiting to get in, actually. I'm just waiting to get in. But in the short term, it should be like something like either 28 or 26 or something like that. Something like that, give or take. Million token going back to 1. Why should it stop at 1? Why not lower? Like, who's gonna buy million token? Million token is gonna go up and down. Million token is gonna go up and down, as long as people keep shilling it, as long as they can make memes about it, as long as TechLead can continue shilling the coin. But what even he won't be shilling it every video, and he's only be shilling it a couple of times. So how much can he shill the coin? You have to ask yourself how long and how much can he shill a Ponzi coin. So eventually that the thing will die out, because it has no use case. It has no use. Zero use case for million coin. Zero use case. Like, if you have a cute dog, use case might be, look at my coin. It's called pregnant butt, and it's a cute meme dog with a pregnant butt. I don't know, whatever it is, right? You can shield that, and then you can go show to your friends. Hey man, look what kind of coin I have. That's shillable, right? That's meme worthy. But million coin, like, come on. Why would a rising deal cause a bear market? Explain, please. I don't know. Let's see over here. More likely BTC to struggle to change while the GBTC discount exists. Do you feel this drop today is gonna stop at around 31.15? It seems always do that back to 32. I don't know quite. I'm expecting some kind of dump over here, and the fact that we cannot get above the 50 moving average on the weekly, we're gonna see. We still got there. I think we need the weekly close to be sure. See now. If we are 28, how we know we can drop to 26 and 24? We don't know. We know where the supports are, and we are playing with the supports, but we don't know if the supports will hold or not. So when we get to 28, we are looking for some kind of support. We are looking for some kind of bullish signals. That's how these things works, unfortunately. Dog with a pregnant butt. Lol, yeah. Support for ADA. I don't know. I did ADA recently. So let me see ADA over here. We do it every. It's 200 moving average. Right now, that's this 200 moving average. Like, you break 200 moving average, you are you are in a deep. There are other supports for ADA down here, of course. I think these are the most important supports, and right now this one up here. So because 50 moving average is down at 0.7. But right now you gotta get through these these 4 supports here. Once you break this at 105 on Cardano, it's gonna look terrible. It's gonna look terrible. But right now you can see here. Why am I not this over here? Fortunately, did not do this over here. You can see here this 200 moving average. 200 moving average is corresponding really nicely with this. No, that's 200 moving average. Let's go to the daily. So these are supports for ADA right now. You can see that this support actually got broken yesterday. So right now, today, we are trying to get back above the support. If we fail that, we might go all the way down to 200 moving average. If we fail that, we might go to the next support and so forth and so forth. This support down here at the 1.05, that's the most important one, because if you break this, you know, it's gonna be like BTC right now. Let me show you BTC on the weekly time frame right now. If you break that, it's gonna be like BTC on the time when you break this support down here. This one, like we are doing right now over here. That's why this is so bad, because you are breaking the last horizontal support here on the BTC. And once you do that, like you are looking at this 100 moving average all the way down here. That's why this dump down here can actually be a dump down to 20,000 eventually. You know, 28 to 25,000, maybe some kind of 22 before we actually get to 20,000 or whatever. You know, it's gonna be price when this actually starts climbing a little bit up. You know, but you know, we can drop down. In the same way, the Cardano right now, it has a lot of support below it. You know, but it's crashing down. You know, one support after another support. You can see here previously a week we were trying to hold 1.31 level up here. You know, we are talking on the Patreon about this, and we're trying to hold in this support down here, but you know, that failed super hard this week. Look at this, look at a failure, look at a failure. So there, you know, nothing just gets like red. Sometimes it does that, you know, but like red, it might do that. But right now hitting some kind of support, so you know, we might actually get some kind of bounce to the upside. It might be bounced to the upside. Nobody's saying that there shouldn't be a bounce to the upside, but you know, it's not the best kind of look right now. Nightmare. Thanks for stopping by the way. Nihal, are you just blind and believing in what others say? I would like to hear your answer. I don't know. Nihal does his own TA. I'm always interested to hear that, especially when he finds some kind of patterns. El Toro, BTC and the DXY are inversely proportional. DXY is US dollar. People put money in BTC from DXY, so DXY go down and vice versa. Maybe. Check the chart. 1 versus 1 of DXY and BTC, you'll get the idea. We have 2 falling wedges, big one connected to low swings and 30k and 28k of your overline. Your overline is perfect. I've been hoping that this is some kind of falling wedge down here. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's falling wedge. It might be some falling wedge down here or something like that, but you know, it's hard. Right now, guys, technically, if you want to trade this right now, right? Trading this is actually, you know, it is possible to trade this, but it's possible to trade to the upside, right? Or technically, you know, it's possible to trade to the downside, but there's very lot of resistance right over here. There's a lot of resistance right here, especially this daily support. If you go down here today and manage to close above, you know, the support here at 31,584 in, what's that, in 2 hours and 53 minutes. If you close above this over here, you know, it might actually just start climbing towards the upside. So if you close above the support up here, or resistance technically right now, if you close above this, if you close up here, you know, technically this, you know, might start going towards the upside. But towards the upside, there is a lot of resistance on the upside. So we're gonna see how high it can actually go. But you know, it's not time to short yet. It's not time to short yet. That's what I want to come to. Somebody was asking for Koti. Sam, let's do Koti. I shouldn't be doing Koti because, you know, but it's easy to do it, you know, because it is dying like crazy. It's 80% down. It's gonna go 80% down more. Next support down here on the weekly time frame should be at 0.08 or something like that. After that 0.07. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red weeks in a row. You know, statistically, you know, you gotta get a green pump to the upside eventually, right? Green pump to the upside, you know. Green pump to the upside, so that might happen. You know, the fact that you broke down the 50 moving average is actually bad. So I'm looking down something like 0.08 or 0.09, 0.07 down here for the support. After that, we might actually bounce a little bit up. How much up you're gonna bounce? It depends, because nothing goes like this over here. You know, it goes like this. You know, it goes down slowly. So you know, bounce is coming soon. Whether it's gonna bounce on 0.8, 0.9, or 0.7, I don't know. But you know, bounce is coming. But like everything else, like it's definitely some kind of downtrend. Maybe there is some kind of falling wedge down here. Let's see if Kotti has a falling wedge down here. But it's not perfect falling wedge. That's the problem with these kind of things. It is actually. I don't know. It's hopium at best. It's hopium because it looks like it's just gonna go down. It's hopium at best. It is possible to trade. It might go up or down. Stupid thing, sorry about your name, I'm not calling you stupid or anything, but that's how actually technical analysis works, and that's how trading works. If you understand that, you know that things can go up and things can go down, and we are working with probabilities, not certainties. So we are thinking like, yeah, there is chance it can break the support, but there is also chance to go up. So you figure out like what's the biggest probability to do. You take a chance, you do the risk management. You don't go all in, but you know, you take your 5% of account, whatever. You go long, you put your stop losses, and if you are good at predicting stuff, you know, you do well. But you never know. Nikola Arsenovic, in the market moving normal, or is there still manipulation? There's always manipulations, and that's a good thing. He's not just a random YouTuber who does TA. Yeah, I'm not just a random YouTuber who does TA. I am I forgot the word, man. Aficionado guy, you know. Aficionado TA YouTuber. Hello there, gotcha now. Aficionado, yeah, I'm aficionado TA guy, you know. I'm not just any kind of random YouTuber. Can you check diamond pattern on 1 hour bit? Yeah, we looked at the diamond patterns, but you know, it's hard to say what's gonna do, man, because you know, it can be a reversal pattern, it can be a continuation pattern. BTC getting constantly rejected by 20 4-hourly, 20 moving average on 4-hourly. If it breaks and closes above 4, I'm long. Yeah, we've seen that, man. 4-hourly, Bitcoin is actually getting rejected by 4-hourly. We talked about it in the start of the stream. 4-hourly, you can see it here clearly. Yeah. Started over here, 20 rejection, but the thing is, right now, you know, over here it's right now going to some kind of triangle. Over here something's gonna happen. You can zoom in here on the 1 hourly. I think it's a triangle. I think this is actually the pattern that we actually want to see. I know people are saying, you know, the diamond, but I don't think it's a diamond. But it's a 1 hourly pattern, so you know. Does it fit with anything? It doesn't fit with nothing. Maybe over here. So yeah, it might take a while. It might take a while. Maybe tomorrow is gonna break out here. Maybe tomorrow is gonna break out here. It could be huge. Yeah, of course it could be huge. That's how this works, probabilities. When you go to the football match, you're not saying, oh, this team is gonna win or that team is gonna win. It's probability. Like, there is 30% chance this gonna win, there's 70% chance this team is gonna win, you know. It's probabilities. That's how that's why people don't believe tech analysis, because they think you gotta know what's gonna happen. We don't know. We know where resistance is, we know where the support is, we know how to trade those things, but we don't actually know where this resistance or support is gonna hold. Never seen so much human energy invested in guessing. Look any sportsman late. When you do top coins for bear market investment, when you do top coins for bear market investment, when we're at the bottom, Bitcoin bottom, I had a video, guys. I had a video. Let me show you. I had a video. I called the bottom and I called the bull market in. Let me show you here. I'm gonna find the video. Maybe it's called something. No. Bull market, something like that. Yeah, there we go. See here, guys. Bull run in 8 days. Bitcoin tech analysis. 4th February 2019. Bull run in 8 days. Okay, this is February 4th February 2019. Look at this here. Look at this here, guys. Okay, for 8 days, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we started down. Here was the bottom, right? Here was the bottom, right? Not this one. Where was it? See here, 4th February. Let me move it over here so I can see it. This over here is 4 February. See, that's 4 February. And this over here is bottom. Who would not take a loss from that mug? Where is the beer? Yeah, it's a 2019, you know, it's 2019, so it's a long time ago. It's a long time ago, yeah, you know. But when we get to these kind of levels, guys, I'm gonna tell you investment advice on altcoins. You look like a burglar about to carjack someone. Just like P-Cycle Top, you announced the bottom. His lines are better than crack. Look at these lines, man. Look at these lines. Falling wedge, you know, some numbers over here, man. I cannot see that actually. You can see this falling wedge. I don't know if you can see that. It's falling wedge down here, you know, hitting some kind of bottom, you know, all kind of. Okay, there was supports down here as well, but whatever, you know. It's old video. It's old video, but you know, bull run it is. So once I actually called this one, I was so proud, you know, because I haven't been doing TF for that long, you know, so figuring it out was nice. Bull run in 8 days. Technically, you know, it was at the very bottom, nicely up, and then, you know, it went into some kind of sideways movement, and you know, whatever. Would make things interesting. Well, people talk about weekly head and shoulders. That would be a 500 USD BTC. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. He has not slept since that photo. You were stylish back then. I think there might be something to this inflation deflation debate is what I'm saying. Yeah, but inflation, everybody's saying inflation, you know, and they're showing the signs of inflation, but you know, but I try to reason, you know, to whether we are gonna have inflation or deflation, and you know, and since everybody is in debt, you know, if we have inflation, everybody's debt is gonna, you know, vapor. So the only people that are actually, you know, gaining something from inflation are those people that are hugely in debt, right? So if you have a lot of debt, right? Suddenly, inflation removes the debt, right? So that doesn't make sense. That means we have to have deflation, so you know we can, you know, they can double and quadruple the debt. Get rid of the facial hair, man. God is giving you a great. Diamond reversal pattern. Been watching it all day. Don't hide it. Nah, I'm too old, man. I'm done with that, man. No one buy ETH at $10. Yeah, you know, ETH was at one point at $80, and I didn't buy that, man. At one point, ETH was $80 down here, man, and I didn't buy that. See here, down here, $80, like we've been watching ETH below $100, and right over here we've been talking about ETH being below $100, you know. And I didn't buy ETH below $100, man. I didn't buy ETH below $100. I didn't buy it down here. And then it went above to 150 and it was starting going down, and everybody's like, no, it's okay, man, we're gonna buy it below 100 again. Like, no, you won't. Bam! Never again below 100, man. Never again below 100. Do you think BTC is going to pump or dump? I think I agree with late inflation is one thing, but we need a market correction now before the crypto assumes the gainer. Not so fast, fragrance. The news of inflation could be sold any minute now for the rumor of deflation. How much does BTC go down in bear market? Like 80%, I think, something like that, give or take. Some altcoins can go down 99%, but Bitcoin has been steadily going down like 80% or something like that, right? %, okay. 85%. 84%. 85%. Maybe Nihal is gonna get his 9K again. But right now it's institutional, yeah, maybe it's gonna go somewhere. Bam, 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 whatever. I don't know how these things will resolve. Hey, maybe check out Polkadot. Sure, why not? Let's check out Polkadot. Polka might be interesting. Wow, Polka is crashing below all the sports. Last time I did the analysis on Polkadot, you know, 14.6, 14.4, 14 supports, really nice supports. It's crashed just through everything, like no stop. Literally no stop. Yeah, well, it went below this over here right now. I think it's going down to 10 or something like that. Yeah, it's going down to 10. Maybe something up here, I don't know. Yeah, but it looks like, you know, the 10 might actually go down to 10. 20% down, sure, why not? 20% is nothing, right? It is a little bit extend the upside, you know. How much will ERA go down? I believe 0.4 is possible, do you? ERA is a tricky, like right now it has this all of these supports here at 105, but will it actually go lower than that? Yeah, you know, the 50 moving average is 0.7, so you know, getting below that, you know, it's gonna be hard, but you know, it can do that. That's 70%. This is 84% down to 100 moving average, so 0.3. Can it do that? If it's bear market, long-term bear market, sure it can, but it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while because these things don't just drop like this over here. You know, they just don't do that. I love your hope, you man. I don't know what kind of hope you've been talking about. Right now, I'm neither. I think there should be some kind of pump to the upside because these moving averages are a little bit too far above us. So we might just, you know, pump to the upside up here. But you know, if we start breaking this channel line down here, you know, that's when the problem starts. That's when the problems arise. Dot hodlers need some injection of strong opioids. Will BTC pump or dump this week? Please tell me, anyone. Nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. I'm watching it. The bearish hopium. I love it, sir. 10k BTC would be dream. You think we are in the bear market now? Yes, I do. It might be some kind of a mini bear market, small bear market, but nonetheless, it is a bear market. Short or long. But right now, over here, you cannot go actually short because, you know, you are sitting on the support. So if you are shorting here, you know, there is all kind of support right over here. So there is technically not all kinds of support, you know, but you know we are pretty close to, you know, this over here, this support here. Technically, you are shorting on the support. You don't want to do that. Rejection of the support is very short. What is this? 9:30 in the morning. Somewhere in the world, it's 9:30 in the morning. In 4 minutes, somewhere around the world, it's 9:30 in the morning. Where is it 9:30? I don't know. Somewhere. Ronfident. Ronfident is Ronfident that will bounce up here. Up here. It can happen, like we are sitting on the support. Let's see other. Bearish cross on the daily. Australia. There you go. 9:30 in Australia. I want to eat breakfast now, Magnus. Yeah, it's like Pavlov's, what's it called? Pavlov's, you know, where you give dogs the food and they, you know. Did you change your profile picture? That music is so similar to bomb funk. I don't know what bomb funk is. I just removed the picture. What about Polygon, Matt? Could we have a look? Really appreciate your videos, thanks. Polygon is not doing anything. It's just doing like everything else. In Polygon, Matt. In bear market, it's just doing the same thing. You know, it's just doing the same thing like everything else, and it's dropping down. Right now, it's dropping down to the support. Right now, you know, you can see here, you know, the support. Right now, it's sitting actually on the support at 0.81. Last time we did analysis, we were up here. We were talking about, you know, you don't want to break these levels down here, and look what happened once we broke that. I think maybe we did up here. So went all the way down to the support down here. Why did we actually make this line down here at 0.80? Weekly, monthly. I don't get it. I need to check the video to see why did I make the line. 4 hourly. Nope. I don't know. I don't know. Either way, we broke through 20 moving average. Yeah, it's probably because no, I don't know. I don't know. Support should be all the way down here at 0.38. If we break the 20 moving average, you know, it does not look good down here at 38. 50 moving average on the weekly. Daily 200 moving average, you got a very nice support down here at 64. Whether it's gonna hold or not. This is daily, you know, so it can climb a little bit up, of course. Maybe it's gonna climb all the way up here, these levels down here. So it's gonna support slowly. I don't know. We just put it here down here for now. So right now it is. I don't know if this. Where do I have this number from? 181. I don't know. Let me check. 181. Where do I have this number from? This is Monday episode. Candle. I don't remember, it was the red there, but we thought there was no. We managed to close down on the rising. Look, you can get it here, or panasymmetrical, panoptical, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, okay, I get it. Okay, so this 0.81, it's a pattern. It's pattern target. There is triangle that we fell out from over here. There was triangle over here, right? There was triangle, and the target up here was somewhere down here, right? So that's why we have 181. So 181, that's the first, support on the target. So he fell out of the triangle and went down to 181 because we broke the triangle to the downside. Now I get it. Okay, so now that's done, so we can remove this over here. So that's the first support, or that was the target. So target hit, so the triangle target, breaking the triangle, could not get back above it, fell down. That's the target, but right now it's looking like this 200 moving average on the daily might actually be. There is also a lot of support right over here. A lot of support, but on the weekly time frame there is nothing. It's daily support, so it might actually use a little time. You can see here there is a lot of support in between over here, right? So which one it's gonna get hit and bounce off, it's hard to tell, but the 200 moving average is the most important one. That's a 64 right now. 64 right now. So I will be looking down there. I will be definitely looking down here at 64. Maybe we get a bounce here back up to some kind of 20 moving average, and then get rejected by that and go down next week. That can also happen. Mihal Rokai, Ron, 25 bucks. Please check SPX on monthly. Seems interesting. SPX on monthly. Check Twitter, whale. I don't like whale alerts, man. I don't like whale alerts. I've got nothing on my Twitter ban. Everything is done for now, even AXS. Guys, I also want to add that there is still inflow to exchanges by whales. The ability 200 moving average is the spring for the relief rally. Not really, we broke it on the Bitcoin. Like on Matic, we still haven't hit the 200 moving average for Matic, but for Bitcoin, like we went below that like long before, It was Shayarido, I don't know what that means. Do you have tax on your crypto in your country? Of course. I think whale alerts are fake. They're not fake, but whale alerts are real, but what people are actually, people are just assuming too much stuff. Or they are sending exchange, so they're gonna sell, or they are doing this, so they're gonna push the price up or push the price down. There's too much assumption, and assumption is gonna kill you. SPX. SPX. On monthly. I'm glad that you are looking on monthly. You could call this some kind of rising wedge. See daily. I don't know. Should be something like 10x. Three, 4, 5, 6. I think it's gonna go up there, guys. I think it's gonna go up there. Usually this thing goes 10x in a certain span of time. I think they got 10x in a certain span of time. This didn't go 10x though. 1x. 3x. 10 years. This is 10 years is down here. No, this isn't only 5x or something like that. Maybe they're gonna try to get to 10x. Maybe they're gonna try to get 10x. Because they're always trying to hit these some kind of numbers to the top side. So, you know, what kind of number they're trying to hit, you know, it's hard to say. Or from when. 600, that's 7x, right? Maybe all the way down here from the bottom at 74. 25x, I don't know. I don't know what kind of move they trying to figure out. 250. I think well alerts are fake. Song, it's Switch Step. Stream Beats by Harris Heller. Switch Step. Crypto Savvy draws all kind of hidden bearish divergence on the large time frame Dow. Let's check the Dow, guys. Let's check the Dow. Dow or Dow Jones? Dow Jones. There we go. So up over here, right? There was divergence, but right now there is no divergence. That's fine. Over here everything played out as it should play out, so everything's fine. Over here everything is fine. Over here everything is fine. Over here everything is fine. So on the monthly there is nothing, unfortunately. 4 months. But even here on the 4 monthly there is divergence, you know, so you might actually get here, but it's a 4 monthly and it's still like 1 month left, 1.5 month left. Let's see yearly. On the yearly there is nothing. The yearly there is a stumpy over here, you know, but from it's actually playing out on the yearly. So let's see weekly down here, what we can find out. No, nothing up here. There is divergence up here, but you know, you don't know if this is gonna, you know, push the price down or not. You know, price is going up, the RSI is going down. Now it can happen that this actually breaks to the downside right now. There is actually a pretty decent probability that it actually does that, because you can see here it, you know, this week, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, like a month ago, we are talking about the, we are talking how important this close is. Sorry, we are talking about how this green candle close is very, very important. Okay, we are talking about how important this green candle, because we closed this on the 20 moving average, and if you look at on the weekly time frame, 20 moving average, let me just do it like this over here, you can see 20 moving, sorry, and 10 moving average. You can see the 10 moving average. 10 moving average was important. Ever since the corona dump down here, you know, we have been holding that 10 moving average. Here we broke the downside, but right, you know, back up again. Here broke it, right back up again. Broke it, right up again. Down with week, right up again. Down, right back up again. So we were doing this over here 4 weeks ago, a month ago. We are saying how important it's to close back above the 10 moving average, right? So, you know, you're gonna know that something is up once we start actually falling below the 10 moving average. I cannot get back up again. So if we fall down and we go up to the 10 moving average and we cannot get back up again, something is up, something is up. That's how we know, that's how we're gonna know. So we don't wanna fall below the 10 moving average on the Dow Jones index, right? That's the thing. I'm enjoying listening to it for the 18th time. Thank you so much. But I mean from the previous stop years ago to this stop. Yeah, sure. Over here there is definitely, you know, but you cannot look at this divergence stop here, you know. You gotta look at the closest tops. So these tops over here. I don't know what he's doing, you know, maybe he is looking at some kind of 12, 24 months ahead. Okay, let's look at huh? I cannot add 24 months. Let's try 5 months. Yeah, 5 months you can add. 24 months. You cannot add 24 months. What's up, Adbank? It looks bad. You gotta see his video to see how he does it. He kinda stops from long ago. Shows RSI bearish divergence, maybe on weekly, monthly chart. Yeah. I think it's playing out as it should. I don't know, you gotta go all the way down here, but you know, that's played out, that's finished. Like, you know, up here everything's playing out as it should. I don't know what he's looking at though. I don't know. You can link me the video in Twitter or something like that, you know. But I don't see it, I don't see it. Let's go back to the BTC, crypto BTC, what's happening? Yeah, it's 2 hours left and we are still standing right below this green line. Do you know what kind of green line this is? That's 50 weekly moving average. The green line. DXY analysis, please. We done that, or we watched that, or we talked about that. Diamond. Yeah, people are looking at this diamond here. I think it's just triangle. I think it's a triangle. Triangle in a downtrend continuation pattern. Do you guys think that? See here. Maybe some Clavis. It does seem plausible that we are actually maybe this is we already broke the upside. Maybe it's gonna explode to the upside right now. Because this triangle right now above over here, sitting here, and right now, you know, exposed to the upside. Maybe you're already outside. Maybe my lines were off, right? Because I was drawing it differently, right? So there's two options up here, I think. It's not the best options, but you know, it's something. I don't have that much faith in this triangle because usually they are not this this wide. So we'll see. We are in a diamond in a triangle at the bottom of a channel. Do you think BTC will hit the all-time high at the end of this year? What's that, July now? August. If it finds some kind of bottom, it can, but I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's 1 hour 30 minute stream. Thanks for joining. I'm gonna do something else, sleep or something like that. Dogecoin up to getting tired. Dogecoin 10% up today. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up with Dogecoin? I see people talk about Dogecoin. See here, analysis was on the dollar. 50 euros, confident all the way. The moon phase will not let us down on 23rd, at least 2 weeks. I'm really confident slowly catch and in 2-3 months we will see a new all-time high from a lot of crypto. Ron salutes you all from vacation. Thanks, man. I appreciate the pink color. Appreciate the pink color. Appreciate the money. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. That said, Doge analysis is working. But right now, I don't think this is actually having a big effect. On the flip side, before we go, because of the 50 bucks, you know, what Ron is saying, he is waiting for the moon phases, the full moon, 2 weeks to push the price up. And we might just do that. This might actually be some kind of falling wedge right now that's playing out. Depends on how you draw it, right? Maybe some kind of falling wedge. And then we go up. Hopium, always hopium. TI Fans Club. Look at the chat, guys. Look at the chat. Almost only the TI Fans Club members. Brand, Debuting, Ron, Batch. Who more? Honza. Where's DJ Avistan? Did he go? Paulo. Nice. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you hanging out with me to figure out, you know, whether the price is gonna go up or down. Whether the price is gonna up or down. And right now, I think we are moving towards downside. We are holding the support, so whether this support will actually hold or not, it kind of depends. Whether this support will actually hold or not, it kind of depends. But if it does hold, you know, we can maybe start going up before the new moon. But if it doesn't, you know, it doesn't matter because however you look at it, we are extended from the 20 moving average. So some kind of pump will come eventually, I think. Eventually some kind of pump will come. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Let's play this song.
The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late adopter, the crypto adopter. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin painkiller. The late adopter, he's growing on ya. His lines
There's my
are
stop
insane,
button.
he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The late adopter, the crypto adopter. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. See ya tomorrow, 9:30 Central European Time. Be there or be square.